Begin by printing a status page. Press the System Menu Counter key, press 01 Report, and select OK. Press 01 Report Print, press OK. Scroll to 02 Status page, press OK. You will see Are You Sure? Press Yes. Upon completion, press Exit to exit. After printing the status page, look for the IP address information here. We will need it later when installing the Mac driver. To download the latest Mac drivers, go to kyocera.documentsolutions.us. Click on Support located near the top of the page. Click on Download Center. In Choose an Option, look for ECOSYS M5521cdw. Look for Mac driver. Click on the down arrow key. The download will begin. After downloading Mac 5.1 zip file, double-click on the file. You will now have a folder named Mac51. Double-click on the folder. Inside you'll find one file ending in DMG. Double-click on the file. The file will open up and you'll find 3 additional files. On the left you'll see Kyocera OS X 10.9 Plus file. In the center, a Mac driver guide, and on the right, an uninstaller app. Click on the first file. Go through the wizard. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time. And agree to the software license to begin the wizard installation. Click on Install. Enter your username and password. Click Install Software. Once the installation is complete, you should see a green check mark. Click on Close. You can either keep installation files or move them to the trash as they are no longer needed. In the System's Preference page, select Printers and Scanners. Press the plus key and select the IP tab above the printer listings. Type in the IP address from your printer. The IP address is listed on the status page you printed out earlier. Now go to the next line, Protocol, and select Line Printer Daemon LPD. Leave the queue blank and click on Name. Enter a descriptive name for your new printer. Next, click on Location. You can leave this blank, or you can name a location for your printer. Under Use, select ECOSYS M5521cdw KPDL from the pull-down menu. Click Add. The next screen will be set up later. Just click OK for now. You may share the printer on a network by clicking on the Sharing Preferences button. You can also make your newly installed Kyocera printer your default printer, meaning any print job from the computer will automatically print to your Kyocera printer. Select the default paper size you'll be using. In most cases, you'll be printing US letter. Go back to the Preferences page and press the red Close button. You've now installed your ECOSYS M5521cdw printer.